how this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this I'm going to show you how you can update your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, Pro Max to the last version of iOS. So first you have to go to setting option of your phone. Here we go. In setting you have to go to this option, it's called general. Go inside. In general you have many options. So you will see here the second option after about is software update. Hit this one. So it will search you to the last version of update. So in this case I just have updated to iOS 18. So you can have iOS 18 in your phone. So after seeing that, for example in this phone iPhone 12, I'm updating iOS 18, you see here. So it will download. After that you have to follow the procedure one after another. Now this phone has all the feature of iOS 18. For example, at the top here you can see at the top you have a power button. Before it didn't have the power button. And another feature, that camera. Now you are recording anything, I hit the recording button, you can pause it as well. So these are the special feature of iOS 18 you can have to your iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care, till then, bye bye.